What is the hottest accent a guy can have?
Italian, British, Jamaican.
Ooh! Mama
Whitey been to Jamaica, man. And I really the accent, you know. Something where Whitey go to Jamaica go call it. Where elephant call it, anaconda. They have one song, The Big Bamboo. Whitey love the big bamboo. This is a short video. I know say no 5 viewers them from Jamaica kind of button down and we call it conserve on the energy and all these things, so the views kind of down. But you know, if you're watching this, I hope you're having a laugh despite the situation, the circumstances, is it? So just go and stay safe and pray, and just know say, oh, we who are not affected are praying for you. And after this time gone, as me say yesterday, make sure you call your family and tell them, say, yo, this and that need to be done. A matter of fact, and if you're living overseas, as a Jamaican, watching this video, just prepare, say, yo, you have to go send a food, go a yard after this time. Anyways, very watch. Do look at videos and laugh.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included. Book now with Jet2 Holidays. Package holidays you can trust. After National Protection.
You see all him, you know? Whatever side I bed him sleep on last night or the night before this happened, he need to go back there. Whichever, well, I want God. But you know, say some other people pray to other gods. I hope after we got him a pray to, he better continue to pray to God. Hey, you think could I write off my wall? Jaja, you see, this is one of the reasons why we have so much accidents at Jamaica. They man don't care. Anyways, see grandfather at a session and around 4 grandma I try to get for dance with grandpa. I say, oh, like grandpa pocket full of money. Me now have to ask Christ, grandfather have a piece of money, grandpa have a piece of change. There's no way so much grandma and auntie and nieces and everything that's female older. A flat grandfather, so right now grandfather auntie them sugar. And a girl, let me know, a grandma sugar that. One I use our big bottom or brace on the man, and then one use our big bottom, not way next one we are brace on him. And then look at skinny grandma, a whine or wiggle our way through. Anyways, on to the next one. One Bruno, you know. I couldn't two. Well, help me, you know. Watch your boss bend down. Watch her. Dog jump on back. That's a go on. Hey, Bruno live king life, man. Oh, no, I believe like say, yo, Bruno a king of yard. Bruno is no regular mongrel. Bruno a top dog. Watch it. Bruno up on head top. Yeah, our we name Chrome. Chronic pain. A joke. A chronic line name, but a chronic depression, man. Jesus. One of theme song I play a while ago. Yeah, man, a chronic pain and chronic depression, man. But he have a song with me like still. Me not gonna lie. Chronic pain, chronic depression. Big up yourself still. Somebody say a Bruno this. And a Bruno. Somebody say a Brownie. A who? Rex. Anyways, see last piece of video. Let's watch it and laugh. And as again, me hope when I buy up in the groceries, me hear say all I bread them done. And just brace for worse, but hope for the best. You see me I say?
Well, I'm interested the cow jump over the moon. Yeah. How can the cow go way up there so go jump over the moon? You idiot! All the bumbo cat him tell you. And this run away with this pole. This can't move from you put it down. They say,
Little dog laugh to see such fun.
well, interested the
Who
cow
knows the
jump
dish,
over
who
the
knows the
moon.
dish,
How
who
can the
knows the
cow
satellite
go
dish?
way up the so go jump over the moon?
Why
Yeah, idiot. All the bumbo cat him tell you. And this run away with this pole. This can't move from you put it down. They say, well, interested the cow jump
Rasta
over the
ask
moon.
questions
How can the
like
cow
say,
go way up the
you
so go
know,
jump over the moon? Yeah, idiot.
All
All the bumbo cat him tell you. And this run away with this pole. This can't move from you put it down. They say, well, interested the cow jump over the moon. How can the cow go way up the so go jump over the moon? Yeah, idiot. All the bumbo cat him tell you. And this run away with this pole. This can't move from you put it down. They say,
those who help themselves.
well, interested the cow jump over the moon. How can the cow go way up the so go jump over the moon? Yeah, idiot. All the bumbo cat him tell you. And this run away with this pole. This can't move from you put it down. They say, well, interested the cow jump over the moon. How can the cow go way up the so go jump over the moon? Yeah, idiot. All the bumbo cat him tell you. And this run away with this pole. This can't move from you put it down. They say, well, interested the cow jump over the moon. How can the cow go way up the so go jump over the moon? Yeah, idiot. All the bumbo cat him tell you. And this run away with this pole. This can't move from you put it down. They say, well, interested the cow jump over the moon. How can the cow go way up the so go jump over the moon?
So, him probably sitting here and confirm say a young he might want to deal with it.
We saw him mess up himself.
Exactly.
So like you should let you afraid of bun, you know. I'm afraid of
No.
I'm afraid of bun, man.
Bun coming out here.
I don't know. Bun coming out because you talk about you were Johnny saying.
Bun something I make down a bakery, you know. We don't have no bakery.
All right. You're afraid of cheating then. A woman cheat by you, give a little pump on you.
No, but you know, a woman pum what I'm having, you know, is not mine. You understand? So she planned to give it to me or share it with me. Then wife and say I'll share it with Danny.
All right. So what you know what?
Can do to me?
All right, me agree with that. So why you don't want to do with a young girl then? If that's not your problem.
I never want to do with a young girl. I never tell them I don't want to do with a young girl.
You need to pay attention.
No, man, pay attention. What I'm saying.
No.
The argument
No,
was
he didn't say that.
I never
The argument is